Hey, I'm Rob, and it's hot.
Hey, I'm Miles, and I drew that.
It's pretty good, isn't it? We're not really sure where Nick is.
Hi, I'm Nick.
Huh?
We're here to answer the tough questions.
Like, where do you buy tires?
That's not a tough question.
Yeah.
What are you doing in there?
I'm trying to charge this phone right now.
You do know that's not how you charge a cell phone, right?
How does electricity work, Nick?
I'm pretty sure it's magic.
I'm pretty sure it's not.
Yeah.
Every time I ask Nick a hard question, all he says is magic.
Yeah. He's saying everything magic.
Did we mention that it's hot?
Yeah.
Well, should we figure out how electricity does work?
Yeah, let's do that with a light bulb. Watch Nick make a homemade light bulb. You ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's take a look at some of this electricity magic that makes a light bulb light up. So in order to test this, I need a light bulb, and my light bulb is inside a light bulb holder. Attached to the light bulb holder, I have a couple of wires. I'm also going to need a battery. I'm going to make a very simple circuit. Think of it like a racetrack. A car can't complete a lap unless the track is complete. So we're going to complete the track here. Right now we have a wire that goes up into a light bulb, travels through these little pieces of metal inside the light bulb, across the filament, down the other side, and out this piece of wire. We're going to complete the circuit by attaching the ends of the wire to the battery. If you notice down here, when I do that, I'll put the wire on one end of the battery, and then I'll attach it to the other and watch the light bulb. It works. Let's see what happens if I add two batteries. Now when I look at the batteries, there's a flat side and a side that has a bump. The side that is flat is the negative side. Think of a negative sign or a minus sign, it's flat. While the other end is a positive side, and think of a positive sign has a bump in the top. So when I connect these batteries, I want to make sure that I connect negative to positive. I'll go ahead and just hold them together, and that should be a good enough connection. I'm going to place one end on the wire, and I'm going to try and connect the other side. So let's see what happens to that light bulb. See how bright that is? Here, let's try one again. Now let's try two. See how it gets brighter? You're adding more power from the battery source into that light bulb. Now remember, whenever I connect the light bulb, we are completing the circuit. We are making a closed circuit. Just like a door is closed on the wall, this is a closed circuit. If I leave the wire off of it, it's like an open door. So this is called an open circuit. Closed circuit, open circuit. I can add in a light switch now to turn the light bulb on and off. So I connect my battery, and I'm just going to actually hold the battery here. But if you notice, it doesn't turn the light bulb on. That's because we have an open circuit. If you look at the light switch, these two pieces of metal here are not touching. So that's like our open door. See how the door is open? Now, when I turn the switch, watch the light bulb. Right once those two pieces of metal touch, that light turns on. Open circuit, closed circuit. So I'm going to show you how to make the homemade light bulb now. First you need a piece of wire with the end of it stripped. Then you need a paper clip. You're going to unfold the paper clip, and then you're going to cross the wire in front of it. Fold the exposed piece of wire down so it dangles on the paper clip, and then that exposed piece you're going to fold back up. That's going to tie it in place. Now you're going to continue wrapping that wire up and down, which is going to create a spiraled coil effect. Then once you're done, you just pull it off of that paper clip and you get your spiraled coil. Then you're going to take these wires and tape them to a toilet paper tube. I've already done this for you. So I have one wire with the exposed end coiled and another wire with the exposed end coiled taped to the side with their wires dangling off to the side. So first I'll connect the light switch to the end of the light bulb that I'm creating. Make sure the switch is off. And then I'll attach the battery to to the other end of the homemade light bulb that I'm making. Make sure you have a good solid connection. Electrical tape is your best friend when you're doing this experiment. Now, I'm still not complete. I don't have a closed circuit right now, it's still open, so I need to take my battery and I need to attach it to the other end of the light switch. Is this an open or closed circuit? Let's check. So I have battery with wire coming out connected to wire. Good. That wire goes into the light bulb. Good. Nothing's connecting these wires. Bad. That makes it an open circuit. This wire comes all the way down to the light switch. Good, it's connected, but the light switch is off. So there's two places where this is an open circuit. So if you connect the two ends of the switch together, you still have an open circuit because we have not connected the light bulb. I will take a piece of pencil lead, place it in the one end of the coil, and across into the other end of the coil. That will complete the circuit. And then I'm going to place my glass jar over top. Then all you have to do is turn the switch on. So let's go outside and check it out.
Here we go. So we want to make a light bulb. So what we should have done last time was tested and made sure that the light bulb 100% worked. So, does it work?
Yeah.
Definitely.
That's true.
So now, yeah. And we're gonna test with this thing too. This is another battery I just made. We'll see if this thing works. All right, yes, but not as much. All right, that's right. So now we're gonna make our homemade battery. So we plug it in, it smokes, and take a look at the filament. It's not going to blow. Okay, so take a look at it, watch the light. It's gonna get a little bit brighter. And then what do you think happens when it gets very bright? Alright, watch. Yeah, I know. So see how it's getting brighter? Hey, watch it, it's getting brighter. Pretty good light bulb. Alright, so then it pops. You see what happened to the filament there? It's actually, this one's a pretty good looking filament. It's all burnt through. Alright, so we're going to take this off.
I knew it, Mr. Badger.
Woo! That one burned. So I like the way that filament burned. You think it was pretty cool?
Yeah.
I want it to be brighter, so we're going to add what to it?
We don't need that.
Huh? Alright.
Captain, I need more power.
Nice. Alright, so here we go. So we're gonna add our next battery, and you guys might actually have to hold that down.
I got it.
You won't get electrocuted too much. I mean, at all. We got our filament, our battery. Let's see how this one works out now. Why do you think it did that?
How did it do that, guys?
Too much power.
Yeah, that one blew up. A little too much.
Yes! Everybody clap your hands.
Why is he taking batteries off?
Alright, so let's try a little bit less power. Smoke, and we're getting some light here.
Wow, it smells bad.
That's just lead.
Yeah, pencil lead.
It's gonna keep getting brighter. Oh, hey, this is
Alright, what's gonna happen here in a second?
It's gonna.
That's pretty cool, Mr. Badges.
Now, once in a while, I do good things. Alright, nice and bright.
It's really
Get this on camera.
Turn off. It's gonna turn off.
Wow, it's really bright.
That was good.
Alright.
Hey, I'm Rob,
Hey, I'm Miles, and I drew that.
and we're here from 360 Explored.
Oh wait, no.
Dude, yeah, you're way too. Didn't I tell you when to come out of the house?
I don't know. I was right there.
Well,
Hey, I'm Rob,
Hey, I'm Miles, and I drew that.
and we're here from
Should I not be
360
out here?
Hey, I'm Rob, and it's hot.
Hey, I'm Miles, and it's really hot, and I drew that.
We're not really sure where Nick went. We think he's inside in the air conditioning.
Ah, there's no air conditioning in here.
And
Hi, I'm Nick.
I keep going.
been sleeping in my bed?
Hey, Nick, I'm gonna have to open this window and climb onto it.
Okay.
Go ahead, bud.
Don't fall through the roof.
Okay. Stop it!
Go. Go, come on. Come on, get up there.
Okay.
What are you doing in there?
Well, I'm trying to figure out where the extension cord went so I could do this next part. So let's try that again.
Okay.
Hey, we have a dog now.
So you're not really sure where I am.
I'm not sure where my dog is.
Hey, it's Rob from 360 Explored. I'm not really sure where Nick and Miles are. Actually, I am. Are you actually in this house?
Hi.
Yeah, it's
what-
hot in there.
How does magic work?
How does magic work?
Huh?